Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your virtual background on Zoom, like on your laptop, computer. It's the same thing, get a new meeting. And to change the background of your videos, as you can see, my one already has a background, but to change it, you're going to select the video here. Then you're going to select the arrow, select adjust background and effects, and here you can change the background. You can even add in more backgrounds here. You can even delete the ones that you don't like. You can even upload videos and stuff like that, not just images. But that is pretty much how you can change backgrounds on your laptop, your device. It's the same for everything, but yeah, that is pretty much it really for this video. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.